Hey there, drone enthusiasts. Welcome back to another episode of Tech Titan Reviews. Today, we're diving deep into the world of drones with a spotlight on the much-anticipated DJI Mini 5 Pro, which is generating a lot of buzz in the drone community. DJI has been at the forefront of drone technology for years, consistently setting new standards and redefining the flying experience. With the DJI Mini 5 Pro, the company aims to solidify its position as the go-to brand for beginners and professionals alike. In this video, we're going to cover the top 5 reasons why the DJI Mini 5 Pro might just be the best drone choice for beginners in 2024. For those who are new to drones, selecting the right one can be overwhelming. The DJI Mini series has always been a strong contender in the entry-level segment, and the Mini 5 Pro is no exception. One of the biggest reasons why the DJI Mini 5 Pro is a topic for beginners is its lightweight and compact design. Coming in at under 250 grams, it bypasses the FAA registration requirement in the United States, making it easier for new pilots to get started without additional paperwork. This weight classification is a significant advantage because it allows you to fly without worrying about legal constraints and simplifies the whole ownership process. One of the standout features of the DJI Mini 5 Pro is its upgraded camera system. If you're serious about aerial photography or videography, you'll be thrilled to know that the Mini 5 Pro comes equipped with a 1-inch sensor, an upgrade from the 1/3-inch sensor found in the Mini 4 Pro. This larger sensor size allows the drone to capture more light, resulting in stunning images with improved detail, better color accuracy, and lower noise levels, even in low-light conditions. If you're worried about piloting a drone for the first time, the DJI Mini 5 Pro is packed with intelligent flight features that make it easy for beginners to fly confidently. One of these is the improved Quick Shots mode, which allows you to perform complex aerial maneuvers with just a tap on the screen. Additionally, the Mini 5 Pro comes with an upgraded obstacle avoidance system, which uses sensors to detect and avoid obstacles in real time. The DJI Mini 5 Pro addresses this with an extended flight time of up to 35 minutes on a single charge, which is a significant upgrade compared to its predecessor. This extended battery life means you can focus on capturing your shots without worrying about the drone returning to home due to low battery levels. Its lightweight design, enhanced camera capabilities, intelligent flight features, extended battery life, and advanced subject tracking make it the best choice for beginners looking to start their drone journey. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Tech Titan Reviews for more in-depth reviews and drone insights. Fly safe, and see you in the next video.